The health department is bracing for a possible surge in COVID-19 cases during the holidays. But an expert from the UST and UP OCTA Research says Filipinos can still be merry and prevent a possible spike in infections. Biologist Father Nicanor Austriaco tells 1PH Wagpo that alfresco dining and limiting the number of visitors are highly encouraged this holiday. Aside from social distancing, the expert said the public must avoid prolonged contact with other guests even in small social gatherings.
So within 2 meters, if you're talking to someone and you're talking to someone who is COVID positive and you're talking to them for 15 minutes and they're within 2 meters from you, that is defined as a close contact. That means that the chances that you get infected are high. So we try to distance ourselves from each other.
Father Austriaco also warned the public from being complacent when attending Simbang Gabi as churches are expected to be more crowded. Father Austriaco admits that there is a lag in the country's COVID-19 data which they use for research. In an interview with 1PH, contact tracing czar in Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong asked the UP OCTA research team not to release their findings immediately. Magalong says such reports affected Baguio City's tourism, which was tagged by the UP OCTA Research as COVID-19 hotspot.
During the time na nagsalita yung OCTA, doon na yung mababa na yung case namin. Pababa na yung case namin eh. Unfortunately, yung data nila was 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. So naapektuhan talaga kami. Sana nga, bago nila i-release, dapat ipakita muna sana nila sa IATF o NTF.
But research fellow Professor Guido David says all their findings are submitted to the IATF before release.
We respect Mayor Benji a lot. He's a very intelligent individual. He manages his city well. I mean, it's just unfortunate that we're seeing the spike. And as for the reports, yes, we do send the reports to IATF.
On One News agenda, David also notes that if COVID-19 figures improve, the quarantine level in Metro Manila may be eased to MGCQ by the first quarter of 2021.
That's meant by Yusek Berhere. If we're getting mga 100 cases per day sa NCR, that could be we're already at the low risk category, and we could already move to MGCQ.
As for recent reports that minors are supposedly super spreaders of the coronavirus, David said this remains a theory and is still up for further study. David explains that under the super spreader theory, researchers from all over the world are looking into the possibility that 20% are responsible for infecting the other 80%. UP OCTA Research noted that the profile of the 20% is still unverified and studies have remained conflicting or inconclusive. For News 5, Camille Samonte, we are One News.